Hey, future nurses. My name is Simi B, and I just passed the NCLEX. I used everything that I possibly could before I used ReMar's program. Nothing helped, nothing worked. I was constantly doing like practice questions, and I wasn't getting the scores that I wanted to get. Someone in my nursing orientation program, I did an externship. They told me that I should try ReMar, and I did. And I passed the NCLEX after the third try. I was very discouraged. I was very sad and depressed. After taking it last year, I lost my grandmother. I went through breakups. I went through a lot last year. I couldn't get my mind focused, but I practiced with ReMar, used the full 6 weeks, even a little bit past the 6 weeks. I love the Quick Facts books. I love the ReMar books. I'm a visual learner, so everything, just being able to have that one-on-one with her was amazing. And I just want to tell anybody who feels discouraged and has gone through loss and breakups and everything, you can, you will, and you must pass NCLEX. Thank you.